Brazilian driver, sigurado. Sweet ang biyahe ngayon. Ganon! Tara na! Aanda na! Pasukan nyo! We are back! Another season with the same mission. Magpatawa ng hindi natatawa. Nagbabalik ang last mga laki sa para video. Tandaan, okay magpatawa, pero bawal ang tumawa. Hello mga people! Wala mo ito ang kabayo ko dyan. Sigurado na tutuwa po tayo sa kakatawanan. Hindi tayo palampasin ng pagkakataon na i-announce ang pampagaling na LOL Last One Lucky Philippines Premiere Season sa Prime Video. Sigurado po ako na mag-i-enjoy kayo sa dami ng surprises, fun at kakatawanan na makikita ninyo. O so ano pa? Load na!
We want to welcome back on stage the showrunner, Randall Rojas. Come on up, Randall. Let's have a photo opportunity first. Center piece. Smile with cameras. Randall Rojas, ladies and gentlemen. All right, Randall, quick question. What do you think it is about the show that really resonates with all Filipinos? And why are you so proud? I really see it. I see the fish smile.
Yes,
Congratulations.
first of all, I'd like to apologize, but I know contestants because it's confidential. We're gonna reveal them as soon as the show is on. But yeah, I think season 1 really, for me, was successful and globally, not only here in the Philippines, because of two things. Yes. One, Filipinos in general, it's in our DNA that we really laugh a lot. You know, we're the happiest people in the world, and at the same time, we find happiness in tragedies and suffering.
We'll find the silver lining.
Yes, always. So I think that really resonated to the Filipinos. They can relate to it. And the second is we really had good roster of contestants, spearheaded by Vice Ganda. Was like, you know, a massive following, very witty, very good host. She really is the game master of Last One Laughing Philippines. And the rest of the contestants, they're very relatable. We grew up with these contestants, TV, online, we follow them. So it felt like you know them already. And then seeing them suffer, not being able to laugh from each other's laughter is really a content. That's why it became successful.
Well, congratulations to you, and we are looking forward to season 2.
Yes.
Thank you so much.